Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Ford F-250. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include luxury package, MP3 player, traction control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, and power windows.